How to search for products on Alibaba on your Android device. So first open the Alibaba app. Then after a few moments, your home screen should look something like this. From here, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it, and here you can type in any product that you want. After you type in, tap on search, then Alibaba will show you all the related products. And it is that easy. This is how you can search for products on Alibaba and shop online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.